Hello and welcome to this video. Are you looking to start your very own online business in 2025? Do you want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and create a steady stream of income? If yes, then you've clicked on the right video. Stick around because I'll be sharing the best online business ideas that are not only profitable, but also practical to start today. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll share some bonus tips to help you succeed. Why start an online business in 2025? 2025 is the perfect time to start an online business. The digital economy is booming. More people are shopping online than ever before, and advancements in technology make it easier to get started. You don't need a huge investment, and with the right strategy, you can scale your business quickly. Plus, running an online business gives you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. So, let's dive straight into the top online businesses you can start in 2025. 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce is one of the most popular online business models, and for good reason. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy to set up your online store. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a low-risk e-commerce model where you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, when someone places an order on your website, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. How to start? Research trending products in 2025, such as eco-friendly items, tech gadgets, or personalized gifts. Set up your store and start marketing your products through social media and ads. 2. Digital products and online courses. If you're knowledgeable in a particular area, why not turn that expertise into a digital product or online course? The e-learning industry is expected to grow significantly in 2025. Examples of digital products: ebooks, templates, stock photos, or software tools. How to start? Choose a niche you're passionate about. Create high-quality content and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great option for those who want to earn passive income. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Where to start? Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale. Create valuable content such as blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts to drive traffic to your affiliate links. 4. Freelancing and remote services. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media manager, there's always demand for skilled freelancers. Where to find work? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal connect freelancers with clients. Build a strong portfolio and focus on delivering quality work to earn positive reviews. 5. Print on demand. Print on demand is another excellent business model for creatives. You can design custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without holding inventory. How to start? Use platforms like Printful or Printify to create and sell your designs. Market your products on social media and through an e-commerce store. 6. Content creation and monetization. Content creation is one of the fastest growing online industries. Whether it's through YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, you can monetize your audience through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Tips to succeed: focus on a niche you love, post consistently, and engage with your audience. Use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to track your performance. 7. Virtual assistant services. As more businesses operate online, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. Virtual assistants help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. Skills needed: strong organizational skills, communication abilities, and proficiency with tools like Google Workspace and project management software. Bonus tips for success. 1. Start small and scale. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one idea, execute it well, and scale it over time. 2. Invest in learning. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously improve your skills. 3. Network. Connect with other entrepreneurs and join online communities for support and inspiration. 4. Be consistent. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent and committed to your goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which online business idea you're most excited about. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember, the best time to start is now. Let's make 2025 your year of success. See you in the next video.